For us to tell you that we've come a long way, it might seem like a lie. So it's best we show you.
Yeah, I mean, it's been a long way, and this was just the beginning of it all.
Busy with the fire, trying to clear up the backyard. There's a lot of wood and shrubs that are dry. So I'm just trying to burn all of them just so we have a clearer backyard. Need to remove all of this stuff, all these green shrubs and hedge and stuff. The backyard should be very, very neat and clean. So yeah, have a long way to go. Gonna put a garden here somewhere. Yeah, lots of work, lots of work. So here I was just trying to bend off some twigs that we found lying around on the property.
Yeah, I mean, it was quite a lot. There was overgrown trees, dead branches. The house was entirely covered, as you
Yeah,
can
it
see.
seemed like a jungle over there.
Yeah, so it was quite a lot.
Long day, sweating. So I was just busy bending some twigs, branches. So I've got a whole bunch of branches and twigs over here that I need to bend so that I have like a garden. Yeah, it's been a long day. So now I need to take a shower and then call it a day. Wow, indeed we came a long way on this property.
Yeah, I mean, as you can see, that was us trying to clear up, and we had put in a garden there.
Yeah, that was our first garden here.
Yeah, and we grew quite a lot of
Yeah,
vegetables.
those vegetables did very well.
Yeah,
Maybe it's because the land was still barren and it was fertile from all those dead leaves and
yeah,
twigs and trees.
yeah. It was quite a lot. So it also was beneficial to the
Yeah,
vegetables.
that is true. And the swimming pool, it was like very deep for some of us who couldn't swim.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so we ended up renovating the pool, as you can see there.
yeah.
We But it was a lot of projects actually.
Mm. So this was quite an interesting property. Yeah, the clearing was just too much. It was as if we're starting from scratch, like from a barren land.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, at this stage, we had done quite a lot actually. The place was now open. It was getting there. It was getting there.
Yeah, true. And I saw on there the chicken coop there. It was just a basic structure,
Yeah, at
and
the corner there.
yeah, I think they tried to have some pets or something in there.
Oh yes, actually they used to have birds, so it
Oh
was a
yeah,
bird um,
it's called a
cage.
what cage or something? Yeah,
Yeah. So I guess we had
yeah,
something in common with the previous,
yeah. That
people
was
who
a
used to
lot
stay
of
there.
clearing we did.
Yeah.
So yeah, so more and more burning of twigs, and we couldn't get rid of all of them at once, but we just bit by bit got there, and this is now the current state.
Yeah, I mean, we
Grass
still use the
cutting day.
fire.
Just trimming the grass. Overgrown, but I'll just trim it up. And I'm also going to let the chickens out so they can enjoy the fresh grass. Okay, ladies, free to come out. and enjoy the grass whilst I trim. Wow, so this was an interesting one. We just thought we should show you some before clips so that you have an idea of how we started on this property.
Yeah, I mean, we came a long way, and this is how far we've come. And it was quite an exciting journey, if I can put it that way.
Yeah, renovating properties is always an interesting one.
Yeah, it's something that we can never get tired of. If you give us a dilapidated property right now, we'll work wonders on it.
Definitely, definitely. It's always good to put your own touch on things, you know. Whoever thought I was going to have some TEF, is it called TEF or lawn?
Yeah.
And actually mow it from how the backyard looked when we started.
Yeah, I mean it's amazing. It's nice, especially when you're seeing it now, looking from what it was before and how it's become, and the journey is still on.
Yeah, and that chicken coop, yeah, still under construction. Yeah, a lot of projects are still under construction, but we are getting there slowly, slowly. I think when did we move here? Is it 2 or 3 years ago?
Yeah, I think it's almost 3, 4 years. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's hard to count. Time flies, eh?
Yeah, especially when you're working full time and you hardly find time to concentrate on one thing. Yeah, it's just been an epic journey.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
So yeah, there's a couple of more videos coming up, and we'll showcase the whole journey, how we actually started. We're gonna do a house tour, in one of our future videos.
Yes, there's lots and lots of more videos to show you. And yeah, definitely a house tour is one of them, and it's coming in the next videos.
Definitely, just subscribe and like if you are enjoying these videos. And yeah, so we're gonna try this April and May to post maybe 2 or 3 videos per week.
Yeah, that's our target. We want to post as much as we can.
All right, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe.
Like and comment.
All right, we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next video.